Okay, good afternoon all. This is again another JMD Janitorial tutorial. Just going to go over some restroom care. Today we're going to be using and featuring a product from Spartan. It's a germicidal bowl cleanse. What I like to do is put this on my weekly restroom treatment program, and this is how it goes. To begin, just make sure you got proper eyewear. Make sure you have gloves and all of your proper PPE before beginning. Make sure you have your disposable paper towel, and make sure you have your trusted Johnny mop. So here we go. Okay, I've already pre-treated the toilet there, so I'm just going to take some of this. I'm going to take my Johnny mop. Okay, we're going to allow that to sit for a few minutes while we move on to the next stall. But once again, this is a little tip to help you in your journey to becoming a professional janitorial company that provides exceptional service. That should certainly be a part of your weekly program in restroom care. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Another JMD Janitorial tutorial. Check us out on YouTube at JMD Janitorial, or check us out on Facebook at Trenton Janitorial.